Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Court Love. In this video I'm showing you a small Shein nail haul, also a tutorial on how I put on these nails. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you comment below and like this video. So basically I'm showing you the nails that I picked up from Shein that I was really feeling. As you can tell, I like the coffin sheet nails. And I picked up quite a few. I've been collecting them for so long. This video is so overdue, but I'm making it now. So these are the nails that I picked and I will be wearing soon this summer. So check it out. These nails are so affordable. They're probably like no more than $2 to $3. That's why I really love them. But they are on like the thin side, but I'm going to show you how I make them feel more thicker and also shinier if they're not shiny enough for you. So I chose the French manicure because I wanted to see how it would look with the shorter nails, because I do usually wear the long nails. But I usually use the Kiss nail glue instead of the stickies that it usually comes with each pack of nail, because it does make the nail last longer if you use the nail glue versus the sticky. I never really used the sticky before, so if you see me struggling in the video, it's because, girl, I ain't never used it before, so this was like my first time using the stickies. And the reason why I didn't use the nail glue is because I was taking them right off. I was just, showing you how I put on my nails, because I'm not going nowhere, so I feel like I'm not using my best nails yet. So just keep on watching to see how I put them on. And yeah, so you see that I'm trying to fit each nail on properly so I can size it correctly, because you don't want it like overlapping your nails, because girl, they gonna tell that like those are like press-ons. So you gotta make sure that it fits your nail correctly. And that, yeah, so you'll see me doing that. And keep on watching. And make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, and also hit that like button and comment what you think of this video. And tell me, girl, like what you would like to see next, like what you want me to do next. Let me know in that comment section. All right, so like I was telling you before, I'm applying the stickies, and like I said, girl, it was kind of a struggle to like apply these things. I don't really plan on using stickies like that. Like if I'm going somewhere like out to an event, no, I'm not wearing stickies. But I mean, like I said, for the sake of this video, and not trying to mess up the actual nail, because I do want to wear these nails again. So therefore, I'm using the sticky. So usually when I'm using the nail glue, I would press down and hold that nail for at least a minute per nail. so it can adhere. I don't think I recorded the part when I was buffing out my nail to make it well, like to take the shine off of the nail so it can kind of be like a rough surface. But when I'm doing, like I said, the traditional way that I usually do it, which is I use the emery board to make a rough surface, then apply the glue onto the nail, and then adhere it. So if that makes sense, I can make a detailed video of me doing that using the glue method when I'm going somewhere, of course. But if y'all guys are interested in watching it, let me know down in the comment section. And as you can see, my nail is like a little too long for the press-on nail, so I'm shaping it down so it won't look crazy. So now I'm applying the gel polish to my nail, and like I said, this is to actually add like an extra shine and also make the nail feel thicker. And I feel like they don't feel as flimsy when I do this. For some reason, I add usually 2 coats to it so it can be thicker. And they last usually they last me about like almost 2 weeks. And this is the finished look. I love how this turned out. They are so nice. I wish I really would have just kept them on and added the other set on my other nail, but I didn't. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also tell me what you think in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.